Are you a realtor struggling to make your listings shine? Imagine walking into a home ready for a showing, sparkling clean and inviting. TidyTex Home Cleaning, a proud veteran-owned service in San Antonio, is here to help you achieve that dream. With our reliable and professional cleaning service, we ensure that homes look their best for potential buyers. You know first impressions matter, and nothing sells a home faster than a pristine environment that allows buyers to envision their lives there. Our quick turnaround times mean you can call us last minute before an open house, and we'll have the space ready in no time. Plus, we specialize in preparing homes for sale, making sure every corner is spotless and every surface shines. That's how you improve property showings and get those deals closed faster. Here's a tidy tip: open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. A well-lit space feels more welcoming and showcases the home's best features. For more details, contact us today at app.tidytex.us or call 210-951-8206. Check the video description for our email and website. Let's make your listings irresistible.